very good morning, children. Today in Maths, let's continue with our chapter measurement. So in our previous class, we learnt about length and we learnt about meter, centimeter and millimeter. So now let's learn today about weight. So what is weight? When an object is given, to find out whether it is lighter or heavier, we need to know the weight. So let's learn about weight today. The standard unit for measuring weight is kilogram. Suppose when you are going to a fruit shop or a vegetable shop, you say 2 kilo of apples or 2 kilo of oranges. What does that mean? That is the weight of apples or oranges. So what is the standard unit of weight? It is kilogram. We measure weight of sugar, fruits, rice and so on in kilogram. Suppose we say 5 kilo of sugar, 10 kilo of rice. What does that mean? That means the weight of rice or sugar. And we use gram for lighter objects and kilograms for heavier objects. Suppose if the object is lighter, we use gram, and if the object is heavier, we have to use kilogram. Weight of a mobile phone and a pencil is measured in grams because these objects are lighter, so we measure it in grams. The short form of kilogram is kg and short form of gram is g. So when we say 5 kg, it means 5 kilogram, and when we say 5g, that means 5 grams. We can say that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams, or 1 kg. Kg is the short form of kilogram. So we can say that 1 kg is equal to 1000 g. That means 1000 gram. So kg and g is the short form of kilogram and gram. You have an activity, find your weight. So weight is measured in kilograms. So this is an activity for you, find out your weight. Next, in your text, we have in page number 131. Rich in vitamins provide us strength. Taste delicious, make us grow in length. Keep us fit. Oh, fruits are my best friends. Sort the images in the order of the lightest to the heaviest and write the ordinal numbers in the space provided. So it's all about fruits. What's it written? Rich in vitamins provide us strength. So these fruits are rich in vitamins and they provide us strength. They taste delicious and make us grow in length, and it also makes us grow in length. That is, we can increase our height by eating fruits. Keep us fit. Oh, fruits are my best friends. And what do fruits do? They keep us fit also. And so fruits are our best friends. Now what you have to do? You can see images here. You can see an apple, watermelon, and here a cherry. So now what you have to do, you have to sort the images in the order of the lightest to the heaviest. So which one will be the lightest object among these? It will be first cherry, then apple, and then watermelon. After sorting it out, what we have to do? We have to write the ordinal numbers in the space provided. So we have learnt about ordinal numbers in our previous chapter itself. So what is it? First, second, third, they are the ordinal numbers. So we have to write the ordinal numbers. Here the lightest object is this cherry. So we have to write there first. And what's the spelling of first? F-I-R-S-T. And then comes the apple. So we have to write here second. S-E-C-O-N-T is second. And we have to write here third. So what is the spelling of third? T-H-I-R-D. So this you can write down in your textbook itself. Next, we have the practice coach. Page number 132. Guess and tick the option which may be correct. Here you can see apples are given, feather, a cupcake and a guitar. Now what you have to do? You have to guess and tick the option which may be correct. Here question A, apples are given, and what it is given? It's given less than 2 kilo and more than 10 kilo. Now here you can see the apples. Is there more than 10 kilo? No. We can say that these are less than 2 kilo. So we can guess and tick the option less than 2 kilo. The next one is a feather and it's given less than 20 gram, greater than 50 gram. Here you can see gram is given. Why? Because it is a lighter object. So is it less than 20 gram or greater than 50 gram? It will be less than 20 gram. The next you can see cupcake. Here it's given less than 5 gram or greater than 50 gram. So a cupcake can weigh more than 50 gram. The last one you can see a guitar, and what are given? Less than 5 kilo, greater than 20 kilo. So a guitar can weigh less than 5 kilo. So we can tick that option. Next we have on 2nd July 2012, heavy rain caused flood in Assam. It affected hundreds of people there. To help the people in need, the Disaster Management Committee sent packets of fruits, pulses and many daily commodities there by air. Which unit of measurement can be used to weigh them? So what is it given? On 2nd July 2012, heavy rain caused flood. So you also know in Kerala 2 or 3 years back, heavy rain caused flood, right? Similarly, in 2012, there was a heavy flood in Assam also. And so hundreds of people were affected by that flood. To help the people in need, the Disaster Management Committee sent packets of fruits, pulses and many daily commodities there by air, through air, that is by helicopter. They sent fruits, pulses and many other commodities. Which unit of measurement can be used to weigh them? So, which unit will be used to weigh them? We need to know the weight of it. So, kilogram is used to weigh them. Next we have discuss with your teacher about floods and disaster management. Write 2 ways in which you can help people in flood affected areas. Where there is heavy flood, what we can do? We can give food or clothes to them. And you can also think of other measures how you can help the flood affected areas. Next we have Max around us. Bala's mother sent him to market to buy milk, sugar, a candle and some chocolates for himself. He went to a shop and asked for the same things. The shopkeeper asked how many chocolates, how much milk and sugar, a candle of what length. Bala did not know the answers of these and returned home to ask his mother again. So what is it? Bala's mother asked him to go to the shop and she asked him to buy some things. What all things? She asked him to buy chocolate, milk, candle and so on. And when he went to the shop, the shopkeeper asked him how many chocolates he needed and how much milk he needed, what length of the candle he needed. But Bala did not know the answer, so he went back to his mother and asked. So you might have noticed on the wrappers of chocolates, the weight of it is written. It will be in grams. So just check whenever you're buying chocolates or any other things on the wrapper, the weight will be written on it. And what about sugar? It is also measured in kilograms or grams. So try to check the weight of the things when you buy. Go to a nearby tailor shop and find out how the tailor measures cloth. Find out how much cloth would he need to make a shirt of your size as well as that of your father's. Record the difference between the measurements and share it with your class. So what you have to do? Go to a tailor shop, nearby tailor shop and find out how the tailor measures cloth. So how a tailor measures cloth? A tailor uses a measuring tape to measure the cloth. And what measurement is used? Meter is used. Find out how much cloth would he need to make a shirt of your size as well as that of your father's. If you want to stitch a shirt, how much cloth is needed for yourself, and for your father, how much is needed. So try to find out the difference. So with this, we finish today's class. Hope you understood what is weight. We'll be meeting in the next class. Till then, thank you.